Hi and welcome to this Audio Direct presentation for another innovation in-car entertainment industry here in the UAE by Audio Direct. We now have the facility to upgrade your vehicle to include live channels. So this Lexus UX200 2019 vehicle was actually upgraded to include an Android interface, giving Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and as well as that we went one step further and now delivered 5,000 streaming live channels, and the quality is absolutely perfect. Any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact us, Audio Direct. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.